Guys, walang maingay ngayon kasi tulog si Papa. Then, record ako. Maglalaro ulit tayo ng Grow a Garden. So, let's go! So, ito na. Magkano na tayo? Yan. Ooh! Ano yan? T-Rex or Raptor? Si Bambam. Bambam. T-Rex ba yun or Raptor? Oh, ano yan be? T-Rex or Raptor? Wow, so many asthmatic. So, let's see. Pati pa ito na, kahapon ko pa ito inano ah. Meron tayo isa pang ganito. Dalawa na yung ganito. Napatikat mo ba yung dakin? Para siyang totoong raptor na hindi giant green bean. Kasi, siya. Green talaga yung kulay niya dapat. What's that thing? What's that thing? Ahem. That's a chicken zombie. Oh, may chicken zombie siya. Ahem. You're challenging me, bro. Really? Yan. Soup. I got soup. Yan. Yan. Hindi natin yan. Okay. Let's see kung meron silang mga gandang pet here. Oh my god. What is this? Sunod ng swan. Sammy's Kami. Charet. Oh, kay Sammy. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, bam, bam. Let's go. Let's see what is in stock. Oh my god. Let's see. We gonna buy this. Okay. I love carrots so much. Yeah, I love carrot. Ano yung inahanap ton? We need to find out. Hoy! Find out. Sana all. Woody plants. Wala, pinagtatanggal ko na yung woody plants ko eh. Right or left? I don't know. Wait lang guys, nag-chat si mama. Wala pala yun guys. Oh my god. There's a woody plants. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't have here. Wala akong matutulong here. Dalawa na yung anak ko. Magluluto ako guys. Gusto niya magluto ako. Guys. Gusto niya magluto ako guys. Wait lang. Baka meron pa dito. Ay, wala na. Wait lang. Dito ako sa cosmetic. Good trade on dinosaur. To cooking kit. Looking for guide. Let's expired. Bakit? Bro, what is this? Full energy. No rewards. 0 rewards. Hmm. Wait lang guys. I have stuff here. Here. Feed. Tama ba yan? Ayaw mo naman kumain. One reward open. Rewards are clear. Every 12 hours. Huh? Ito. Wait lang guys. Ooh. Corrupted Kitsune. The corrupted Kitsune is the letter E. Oh, this is a trash. Mega corrupted Kitsune. Oh, mega. We need body plant. So, we need to yung ating makalat na ang ating makalat. Oh, ito ang woody plants, guys. This is the woody plant in the world. Can you see? This is a woody plant. This is a woody plant, boy. It has a glimmering motion. Ito lahat to is a glimmering motion. So, pick up the giant pine cone and place it towards to the. So let's go. Let's go. This is a woody plant, right? Feed on my plants to the harvest spirit. It's a 19 plant. Oh my god. These are woody plants only. Mango is a woody plant. I don't know. What is this, bro? Fallberry. And apple is a woody plant because it's a wood. So let's go. Lychee, it's a woody plant. I don't know. And mango, I don't know what this mango is. So let's see the mango. I think this is a woody plant. I know it. I don't know. So let's go on this. Then I don't think so. If the truth is, this is a woody plant, right? Oh my god. It's woody plant. It is real. It is real woody plant. Woody plant. I don't think so. It's a woody plant. It's a woody plant, right? Fall egg. Let's see the ball egg. Chipmunk. Oh. No stock. Nabili na pala natin. Berry jar. Let's go. Sky lantern. And leaf. Don't think so. What is that? Leaf. We need to. What is cosmetic now? Oh, why not open this? This is a Mayfall flag. Okay. What is this? Flying kite. Okay. Seed. Fall seed block. Oh my god. It's a fall seed block. I don't know what he's talking about. Oh, let's see. What is the fall seed block? Oh, spur crust. Grass got his topologies. Tell me to tonight. Don't be dasing. Robot na ako. Wait lang. Trash. Masakit na pa ako. Kinugat kasi ako ng langgam eh. Sakit. Guys, masakit talaga. Wait lang, charge ka lang. Yan. Sakit sa paa. Sakit. Ah. Ang sakit. Sakit sa paa talaga. Dito natin yan. So, i-shape. Dito natin yan. Yan. So, meron tayo dito ang isa. Lagay natin dito yung isa para magkatabi na sila. Hoy! Sana magkatabi. So, let's see. This. Kati guys. Kati ng paa ko. So, na-trade niya yung mga pet niya for these two things. Pati yung orange tabby ko. Ayun, yung pinagpalit niya yun. Meron din siyang ano. Patapi. Palarin na kapot. Ano to? Guys, what is this? Ano yan? I don't think so. What is that? Only fruit plant. Fruit. It means bottle. Hello? Ano ba yan? Ano na agad? Hello? Diyan naglalag pa ako. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan, guys? Plant lang natin to. What is this? Ito to be. Ayan yan eh. Ayan. Kalima lang ganito. 5. Yan. Tapos, last 2. And perfect. That's perfect enough. So yeah, that's that. That is the over. So guys, dito na nagtatapos ang aking video, and subscribe for part 3. I think part 3, yes. Part 3 guys. Subscribe niyo ako sa part 3. Comment kayo kung maghanap ako ng part 3. Okay guys, bye!